Hi everyone, welcome to Physics with Ben. Today I decided to make this video. It is by the time I'm making this video, it was the morning hour here in Nigeria. Every day, the bird you see standing at the aluminium window glass comes here to fight its image. This is the reflection of light waves. Animals see it as a real thing. The birds comes here every day exactly by this time I'm making this video to fight its image, and the hitting of the beak on the window, as you can hear, wakes me up. Yeah, it comes much earlier than this. This is the difference between animals and human beings. Animals see this reflection as a rating. Different animals have different ways of reacting toward reflection of light when they see their image in a mirror. Dogs can also fight. Bamboos, monkeys have their own reaction, or apes. And for this bird, for this particular bird, it comes here every day to fight itself. Good. You can see the fight is becoming more fierce. Uh, so, what is your experience from your own end? Do you have a window frame where birds comes? Oh my God! You can see that the bird is even using the legs to hit the window. So, what is your reaction concerning this from your own end? Um, Comment in the comment box. Write in the comment box your experience of animals' reaction towards their image in the mirror. I just want to make this video to put a smile on our face this morning. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day, all of you. Bye bye.